There's one thing that I often say in my Productivity Tuesday series. If there's something that you do frequently, then make sure you do it effectively. And one of those such things is the Chrome browser on your Android. Hi there, this is Mrunal from TechVisor.com, and if you remember, I made a switch from Chrome to Firefox because it lacks many of the useful features like ad blocking, night mode, and add-on support in Journal. But guess what? I'm back to Chrome. Two reasons. One, while I do appreciate what Firefox is doing with its own open source thing, compared to Chrome, it's quite slow. And second, I found a fix to all the Chrome annoyances that made me quit it in the first place. So here we are. In this video, we are going to see some of the most popular yet little known Chrome tips and tricks that you need to check out. So let's begin. Chrome for Android doesn't support browser extensions like Firefox, and one reason for it is definitely ad blocking. Now, while Google makes money from advertisement, at the same time, they also understand the internet is filled with intrusive ads. So in order to find a middle ground, Chrome has natively started blocking all the intrusive advertisements that don't follow better ad standards, like pop-ups, auto-playing videos with sounds, or large sticky ads that you see at the bottom of the screen. Just make sure the ads are blocked by going to Settings, Site Settings, and then Ads. There you will see the ads are disabled, which they are by default, so don't turn this on. Remember, not all the ads will be blocked, only the annoying ones, which makes sense since for publishers like us, ads are the primary source of revenue. Chrome Password Manager is definitely handy but insecure. Well, guess what? With the latest Chrome 66 update, now you can fix that. Earlier, it only worked on desktop. Now, it works on Android as well. Simply enable the password export flag. If you don't know what Chrome flags are, they are basically a list of experimental features. And then under the settings, go to password. There you should see an option to export all your password and save it in your phone memory. Once you have the CSV file, you can easily import it in LastPass or any other password manager of your choice. I'm sure you have multiple tabs open in your Chrome browser. Android can handle it, but the problem comes when you have to navigate from the last open tab to the first one. So here's a neat workaround. Go to Chrome flags and enable accessibility tab switcher. Now if you click on the tab icon, you will see a neat list instead of cards. It doesn't look like a big deal, but trust me, it works better than it looks. That said, here's a cool thing. If you swipe down from the address bar, you will see the cards just like you used to see before. And if you click on the tab button, you will see the condensed list. Best of both worlds. This one is a must-have tweak for everyone with a 6-inch phone. So as you can see, every time I have to type something in the address bar, I have to use my second hand, as there is no way I can hold the phone as well as use the same hand to reach the address bar. Thanks to Chrome Home Android flag, now you can move the address bar in the bottom. A while ago, it has stopped working for some users, but now it's back. Just make sure you restart your Chrome browser 2 times. You can also swipe up from the address bar to see the list of frequently visited websites. Chrome doesn't have a dark mode. On my Pixel, I used to turn on the invert color option, but there's no such option in Redmi Note 5. Now, I could have used a third-party application like night mode, but wouldn't it be awesome if I can get this option natively? Chrome still doesn't support dark mode, but there's a workaround. Well, sort of. First, you need to enable the simplified view from the accessibility settings. Once done, whenever you open a new article, it will give you an option to view it in reader mode. Go for it. Now if you tap on the 3 vertical dots to go to the settings, you can change the background to black. Like I said, it's not exactly a dark mode as it only works for the articles. But this is the closest you can get without installing any application, and I will take that any day. Well, that's all for now. Let me know your favorite Chrome feature in the comment section below. I'm sure you might have one or two up on your sleeves. Also, we are going to bring back the cool new app series in the next video, so keep an eye for that. Like always, it's Mrunal signing off. I will see you in the next one.